Good morning. I'm here for my chicken check and mostly to show you something crazy. So something is here that was not here last night, and it's this. Look at all this water. We had a massive amount of rain yesterday. And I show you this because apparently in like Minnesota, Iowa area, they haven't had rain since May, which is crazy. We have had a massive dumping of rain here last night. Anyway, let's go see the chickens. Good morning, chickens. Woo! They are ready to come out. Hello, chickens. They haven't even rained in their water bowl. Good morning, chickens. How are you doing today? They are thirsty. Yep, it's a popular place to be. That's the scuttlebutt today. Ow. It's going everywhere. Oh. Oh, wow. They're so cute. These chickens are doing really well. Anyway, I just wanted to show you my river, my new river, which is really crazy. And hello, kitty. Hello. Look, that's Muffin. Hey, Muffin. Muffin's very friendly. Muffin, come on over here. Say hi to everybody. Look at this. This is crazy. This is a massive amount of water. We already got our first customer here. Look at it. It's like to the rim. Oh, I guess we don't have our water measurer anymore. Okay, gotta go.